Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mallory. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to today and tomorrow. I'm just gonna do like a little nightly reset before I start my work week tomorrow. Then maybe bring you along for a day of my life working a 9 to 5. Make sure to subscribe down below if you're not already. I have a very busy week. I leave on Wednesday for a trip, which I'm so excited for, but that means there's a lot of preparation that we have to do. So right now I'm going to get my groceries for like the first couple days. I didn't order but like $30 worth of groceries because again, I won't be here for the majority of the next like week. And I have some other things around the house that I need to do before the work week starts. I have had like a mixture of a productive Sunday and like rotting on the couch. I got a lot of stuff done, but like I washed my sheets, but I need to put them away. I need to like finish cleaning up the dishes, things like that. But I've also gotten a video up, edited a lot of TikToks and short form content, so that's awesome. But yeah, I have a lot to do when I get home. I'm going to first stop and get gas. I almost forgot. Because I'm on, how many miles do I have left? 66 miles. That's a lot. But I'm gonna stop, get gas, and then go pick up my groceries. I do Kroger click list because I don't ever want to go into a Kroger again. I'm so scared of gas stations. I'm so scared of everyone at a gas station. Like, everyone. I think everyone's out to kill me. Hi.
Hey, you mind if I was to get your first and last name on the order?
Mallory Burford.
Alright, any paper coupons?
No.
Alright, I'll go ahead and load you up.
Thank you.
Is this a jacket? Or is that a blanket?
It's a jacket, but you can just...
Sure?
Yeah.
That looks more like a blanket to me. Doing alright tonight?
Yeah, how about you?
I can't wait to head out. Oh, almost there. Hey,
Thank
okay?
you, you too.
Thank you.
That guy was extra chatty today. Is that a blanket? Oh, it's a jacket. Oh, that didn't sound good. I am going to actually go pick up dinner at not PF Chang's, Panda Express. I don't eat out ever, but it's Sunday night. I'm gonna treat myself because I've been eating so healthy. When I tell you, like, the epitome of health. All my greens. Beep beep, come on. Looking at their phone. Shahonk. Dude. Oh, it looks like it's gonna storm. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, I've been eating so healthy. And because of that, I allow myself to indulge in some orange chicken. Look at the sky. Yikes. Need to get home before that unreels. I also, have been on the couch all day thinking, oh, this afternoon, tonight, I'll go on a walk. Now the sky looks like that, so guess that won't be happening today, and my walking pad is at work. So anyways, I'm gonna pick this up, go home, and I'll show you what I got for my groceries this week. I'm home. Let's do a haul. Remember, this is a restock. I have some things I'm restocking, but mainly just some snacks and dinner stuff for today, tomorrow, and Tuesday, and lunch Wednesday. PB2, 3 bananas, 1, 2, 3 poppies, 1 avocado, 1 apple, some oats for my overnight oats, 1 Lean Cuisine pizza, baby carrots, hummus, Chobani yogurt. That is all. Let's put it away. Double orange chicken and some rice. Drinking a poppy. It's 5:25 and I'm eating dinner. Then maybe I'll have a little snack, but I'm gonna watch some YouTube and sit here, eat whatever, and then get started on all my nightly little tasks that I need to do. It is storming outside. Honestly, the weather is just like cuddle up on the couch kind of weather, but I did that during the day, so now I have to get up and do stuff. So I'm folding my sheets that I changed this morning. I change out my pillowcase quite frequently, just from where I have acne, and I save all my pillowcases from all like my old sheets that I'll throw away, but I save my pillowcases, and especially this one. Is it upside down? Look who it is. When I tell you, this is probably from when I was 8 years old. It's Troy and Gabriella from, it's just something that makes me happy, so I keep them and I use them. I also cannot fold a fitted sheet to save my life, and I feel a jar ball in here. Uh-oh, my ADHD has really started to kick in. I was out of hangers to put my clothes away, so I was like, I can finally take out my sweaters from my closet because it's June, but then I was like, well, where am I going to put them? I'll put them in the guest room. Well, I started to clean out the guest room one day and never finished, so maybe I need to do that now. Let's take a field trip in there. It is a wreck. Yeah, so I'm gonna kind of clean this up. I think I'm gonna put all my seasonal stuff, so sweaters, like Halloween sweatshirts, things like that in here, and then we'll go from there. I'm like, reel it back in, Mallory. I have all these hangers and all these clothes to hang up, so gonna do that. I feel so much better now that my closet is guest room is like cleaned up now. That's been kind of a disaster for, I want to say like a month or two now. Okay, so I feel like I'm finally back on track. I need to pick out my outfit for tomorrow, which normally I like to look kind of cute on Mondays because it's the beginning of the week. It sets the tone. Let's check the weather. 83 and partially cloudy. I feel like I should just throw on a dress tomorrow. To the dress closet. And you're watching this, I'm stealing my dress back. Ha ha ha. So I'll probably wear this tomorrow. I'm gonna pick out jewelry, shoes, everything to make my life super easy. Next step is Pilates clothes, and these are actually already packed from when I canceled last week and never went, so that was easy. Gonna stick this with my work bag. Next is lunch, so meal prepped food with an apple and a yogurt. Just took a shower, picked out my clothes already. I'm like crossing things off my list in my head. I feel like that's all I need to do. I try to also sometimes pick out my outfit for the entire week, but I don't want to. I'm gonna maybe start packing for DC, but I don't think I want to. I feel like that'll be a tomorrow thing, which is fine. I have all night tomorrow because normally my Pilates class starts at 4:30, but tomorrow I got in one that is at 3:30. They usually don't have that time. So I was like, score that. I hope they add that to their normal class schedule because that would be awesome. All right, I'm gonna sit and watch something. All I've done, I feel like, is watch YouTube this weekend, which I guess was really needed. I've been behind. So maybe I'll switch and watch a show or something. That sounds kind of fun. Good morning, everyone. I am getting ready for work. It is 6:15 a.m. I could not sleep last night. I tossed and turned from like 9:45 until midnight. And then I don't know what I did, but finally fell asleep. Thank God. But it's Monday. Happy Monday. I don't have a dress code at work, so I can pretty much wear whatever. I've so badly been wanting to wear very comfy clothes recently. Even like today, like, I already have this dress on, and all I want to do is switch into some shorts and like a t-shirt. But I'm not gonna let myself, so I'm gonna finish getting ready for work, and I'll talk to you soon. Look how foggy it is this morning. Oh, hold on. I can't see where I'm driving to. I'm listening to the Canceled podcast, and attempting to see while I drive to work. I have no idea what my day is gonna look like other than the fact that I have Pilates at 3:30 and I need to pack today. So other than that, I'm going to try to not be on my phone after like 8 p.m. maybe, and see if that helps with my issue that I have been having where I cannot fall asleep at night. I was so angry last night. But yeah, so we're gonna try that. I've been taking magnesium. Maybe I should take it earlier so it has time to kick in. Hello. I just got off of work and now I am following my friend. We're going to Pilates. Sunroof is open. It's so hot. My car says it's 91 degrees, which it's been in the sun. Kind of dreading it, but I'm kind of excited. We drive through this like beautiful neighborhood to go like a back way. And the houses are literally massive. Hey, I got home like probably 35-40 minutes ago. Took me so long to get home. I ate some dinner and I had to get back on work actually, which I never have to do, but I did today. And now I'm taking out the trash because it is trash night. Sure, let's do that. I just picked out my outfit for tomorrow and then my clothes to teach dance. I need to pack for my trip that I leave for on Wednesday. Today's Monday, but I have to pack tonight because tomorrow I teach until like 8:30 p.m. So I'm not gonna want to do that when I get back. But I'm going on Wednesday after work and I come back Friday night. So really, really quick trip. I just need to pack efficiently. Okay, I picked out some potential dresses for this trip, so I'm gonna try them on and see what I'm thinking. Dress one, this is giving Elle Woods, I think, for what I'm going for. It's kind of like a business thing. Very cute. It might be a little short, but I'm definitely gonna bring more than 2 dresses, but this, I can see myself wearing this. Freaking solid choice. This has straps, but I probably wouldn't wear it with straps. It's from Target. Again, pretty flattering on and long, so it would be formal enough. Another dress I can dress up or dress down. Super cute with pink heels, white heels. I think we're on to option 4. I like this because it looks more formal slash businessy. I think it's from TJ Maxx, honestly. But I do think the pattern is kind of giving fall and it's summer, so this is one that I definitely thought I would be bringing, but I'm actually kind of disappointed. It's really short. It's kind of big up top. I'm renting it from Nuuly. If I'm being honest, I'll probably bring all of these. If I don't wear it, I have a mom and 2 sisters that'll be there. Wait, only one of my sisters will be there, but gives all of us some more options. My disaster of dresses, we have jammies, workout clothes, outfits to hang out, undies, and my white heels. I'm gonna move these over here. I need to grab a hoodie and then I'm gonna start packing in my suitcase. I thought you died, but you just turned off. Okay, well, dang it. I just put a bunch of stuff in my suitcase. 1 second. I don't know why it feels illegal to check a smaller bag, but this is just my big suitcase. Dresses, clothes, toiletries, meds. On this side I have shoes and my curling iron. Just do that kind of stuff in there for a TikTok. I'm not gonna lie, I need to get this back out and pack what I can, like my makeup tonight, and then have a separate bag that's something I can just throw in on Wednesday morning. Dress has been made actually. I sat and edited some TikToks, filmed a TikTok. Just needed a break, I think, from packing for a second. I got a lot of my bathroom stuff all ready. It's just like I can't pack it yet. Got my work clothes for Wednesday laid out, and then I have also laid out my jewelry that I'm going to pack. So I have my Apple Watch band, bangle, Yearman bracelets, and some necklaces, and then just some gold hoops that I'm gonna have, and call that a win for now. I'm gonna stick all this in a bag and then put it in my carry-on, gonna go ahead and do that. And I have sunglasses. I need to pack my purse that I'm gonna bring with me. Lipstick I packed. I'm like going through everything in my brain. Okay, I'm gonna pack that up now. All right, I've been sitting here. I had to work for my dance studio that I teach at. I had to come up with some recital backdrops and stuff on Canva. They turned out really cute. I just sent them all to my studio owner. But I think I'm gonna end this video here. I think I'm gonna pick the camera back up when it is time to head out on Wednesday. But I hope you enjoyed packing for my first trip in like a month. I'm so excited. And also just like a little Sunday reset, getting ready for the work week. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!